What's up, guys? Welcome to my review of the ZeroWater 10 cup water pitcher. I've had this thing for a month and a half now and have already gone through 2 water filters. And if you guys don't already know, these filters are not cheap. They run you about $13 to $15 per filter. So if you guys don't have $25 to $30 per month set aside for this water filter, you might want to look elsewhere. But aside from that, I love the taste of the water. I personally will keep buying these filters because of the taste and that it works as advertised. It actually gives you a 0 TDS reading. But there are a few things that I do not like about this product. First off, these filters will give you a fishy smell and taste to the water eventually. And I say that because both filters I had eventually gave me a fishy taste and smell to the water. I wasn't sure at first what it was exactly, but I found out it came from this filter. And it is from a chemical breakdown in the filter. It did not get me sick or anybody else in my family sick. Thank God for that. The next complaint I have with this is obviously the cost of this. The filters don't last long at all. At most, it will last about 2 weeks until you have that 006 reading, at which point they recommend to replace it. But I ended up using it after that till about 3 weeks, and then I replaced it. That's when I noticed that the water became sour, a different taste to it, so you will need to replace it, because I left it go even longer than that and it began to give me that fishy taste and smell to it. Another thing is that in the reservoir, some of the water doesn't completely filter and leaving you a puddle of water at the top. I've noticed that a few times. Some of the time it did not do that, but that is another complaint that I had of it. Another thing is that the filters take a long time to filter. It took me about 8.5 minutes to filter everything that I filled up in the reservoir. And I guess it's just doing its job. But if you're looking to have a quick glass of water and it's empty, you're going to have to wait a little while to drink anything. But that's enough bad about this product. Let's look at some of the pros. First off, the water dispenser. Great feature they added to this. It makes it easy and convenient to fill up your water bottles. And that way you're not going to be spilling that water all over the floor. And they have a nice handle here with a grip, making it easy to pick up and pour yourself a glass of water. And they give you a TDS water tester at the top, a nice holder for it as well, so you can easily test your water. And then you have your lid. It's on there nice and secure. It has not fallen off from me at all. And the filter at the bottom just easily unscrews off, so you can put your new one on. And like I said from before, it does work as advertised. It does give you a 0 TDS reading when you first get the filter. Now, I'm not sure why this reading is 8, because I just replaced this a few days ago. I can't imagine it's already at 8, but the 2 others I put in were at 0. And as you can see for this one right here, it's a 13 reading. That was after about 3 weeks of using it. And it was a few days after that I had to replace it because the taste of the water became sour. Now this thing is quite large and I had a tough time getting into my fridge, so I'm just leaving it out. I prefer room temperature water anyway, but just keep that in mind. You might have to move a shelf down to make space for it. In conclusion, I am giving this a 4 out of 5. I'm not giving it a 5 out of 5 because of the fishy taste and smell to the water and the fact of how expensive the filters are, but it does work as advertised, and I love the taste of the water. I'm not just saying that, so I would recommend getting this if your finances aren't tight. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe to my videos. Really appreciate it.